Hello everyone, this is Vidya. Welcome back to Vidya's Botany World. Daily we see a countless variety of flowering plants around us, but most of us don't know their common names, their botanical names, and also their medicinal properties. Plants are really important for the planet. They are the backbone of life on Earth. Each and every plant has its own dynamic power to cure the human diseases. But the loss of a plant species can have harmful effects on ecosystem. So it's our utmost responsibility to conserve the plants from becoming extinct. So let us know about the botanical names and also the medicinal properties of some common flowering plants which usually grows in our surrounding environments. This wonderful twinning plant is commonly called as Shankupushpam in Telugu, Vishnukranta in Sanskrit, and also butterfly pea or Asian pigeon wing in English. Its botanical name is Clitria ternata. Medicinal properties of Clitria ternata. It is a very beautiful herbaceous plant with many medicinal uses. It is commonly used in Panchakarma treatments of Ayurveda. These treatments are very effective for balancing doshas in the body and also bringing about internal as well as external detoxification. The bright blue petals from the flower of this plant have been used as an ingredient in herbal tea drinks, which usually promotes weight loss, detoxifying the body, pacifying the mind, enriching skin texture, and also improves hair growth. Many beauty products have also been derived from butterfly pea because of the effects of the flavonoid quercetin has on skin and hair. The antioxidants present in this Ternata species can stimulate collagen and elastin synthesis, which helps in rejuvenate the skin, reduces the wrinkles, and also other signs of aging. In several Indian studies, butterfly pea exhibits significant antimicrobial effect against Staphylococcus aureus. Butterfly pea is one of the few plants on earth that contain cyclotide peptides that have shown to possess anti-tumor properties. So this is about Clitria ternata. The common name of this plant is jungle geranium or flame of the woods. Its botanical name is Ixora coccinea. Ixora usually derived from Sanskrit Ikwana, the name of Malaysian deity, which means Ishvara to whom flowers were offered. Hindus believe that the bush as sacred to Mahadev and Vishnu. Medicinal uses of Ixora. The flowers, leaves, roots, and the stems are used to treat various ailments in the Indian traditional system of medicine, the Ayurveda, and also in various folk medicine. The fruit, when fully ripe, are used as a dietary source. Roots are used for stomach troubles and also dysentery. Application of Ixora flower paste on any wounds, cuts, or skin infections can help with a speedy recovery. This is one of the most poisonous plant in the world. Its common name is Ganner Chettu in Telugu and also Nerium or oleander in English. Its botanical name is Nerium oleander. Medicinal properties of Nerium. All pods are poisonous, particularly stem, seeds, and roots. Oleandrin is a toxic cardiac glycoside found in the plant. Even though it is dangerous, it has great medicinal importance, usually used to treat asthma, epilepsy, cancer, painful menstrual periods, malaria, leprosy, and also ringworms. It is an important medicinal plant in folk medicine. A decoction of the leaves has been applied externally in the treatment of scabies and also to reduce swellings. The leaves and the flowers of Nerium are cardiotonic, diuretic, and also anti-cancerous and antibacterial. It is a popular ornamental plant commonly called as Billaganneru in Telugu, Nayanthara in Bengali, and also Madagascar periwinkle or old maid or red periwinkle or rosy periwinkle in English. Its botanical name is Catharanthus roseus. The genus contains 8 varieties of species. Medicinal properties of Catharanthus. In Ayurveda, the extracts of its roots and shoots is used against several diseases. The flowers are used for treating asthma and excess gas in stomach. It can be dangerous if consumed orally and also extremely toxic. The two main constituents which usually isolated from the species are vinblastine and vincristine, generally used in the treatment of leukemia and also used to treat several types of cancers. In traditional medicine, the catharanthus has been used for applying to wasp stings and also to heal wounds. This plant is commonly called as Nandivardhanam in Telugu, pinwheel flower or crepe jasmine in English. It is native to India and its botanical name is Taberni montana divaricata. Medicinal properties of pinwheel flower. The latex of the leaves is used as a cooling application for wounds to prevent inflammation. The roots, leaves, and flowers are used in the treatment of snake and scorpion poisoning. The wood is usually used to make charcoal and also used in perfumery. All parts of the plant are toxic due to the abundant presence of indolic alkaloids. So, this is about pinwheel flower. It is an ornamental plant commonly known as Akshintapulu in Telugu and also wild sage or red sage in English. Medicinal properties of Lantana camara. Lantana camara leaves can display antimicrobial, fungicidal, and also insecticidal properties. Lantana camara has also been used in traditional herbal medicines for treating a variety of ailments like cancer, skin itches, leprosy, rabies, chickenpox, measles, asthma, and also ulcers. So, this is about the botanical names and medicinal properties of flowering plants.